Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Form 1099-B. First, ensure you have your official Form 1099-B from your broker, which details sales of stocks, bonds, or other securities. This form is crucial for reporting capital gains and losses to the IRS. We'll cover understanding the different boxes, like proceeds and cost basis, and how to transfer this information correctly to your tax return. Getting this right helps avoid discrepancies with the IRS. Before you begin, gather all your Form 1099-B statements. If you have multiple brokerage accounts, you might receive several forms. Carefully review each form to ensure the reported proceeds and cost basis are correct. Sometimes, the cost basis might not be reported to the IRS, requiring you to calculate it yourself using your purchase records. Having all your documents organized will streamline the filing process significantly. Now let's move to reporting. You'll typically use Schedule D, capital gains and losses, to summarize your investment sales. For each transaction, you need to enter the description of the property, date acquired, date sold, sales price, and cost basis. Remember to differentiate between short-term gains from assets held 1 year or less and long-term gains from assets held over 1 year. If your Form 1099-B doesn't report cost basis, you'll also need Form 8949. After entering all your transactions, take time to meticulously review everything. Verify that your calculations for capital gains or losses are accurate and that all forms are complete. Incorrect reporting can lead to delays or penalties. Once confident, you can submit your tax return electronically or by mail. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Filing accurately ensures a smooth tax season.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.